Yes.
Actually, nung pinutap po namin yung business, it's not your typical na, mag-invest ka, you give your money outright. Hindi po siya ganon. So, dahil yung karamihan ng investors namin, mga tito ko, mga tita ko, mga kapatid ko, na hindi sila yung hindi ko naman sinasasabing mga sobrang nasa laylayan ng lipunan. Pero wala silang means, wala silang savings, ganon. So, we have to adjust our strategy to complete our funding. So, sabi ko sa kanila, sige, kahit na 500 yan or 1,000 yan every month na ibibigay mo, okay lang yan. Kahit na 1% or 0.5%, okay lang yan, I do not mind. Basta gusto ko kasama kayo. Para kasi nararamdaman ko, the universe is telling me, I feel it, I know it, na it will become successful. Probably not in the next 3 or 5 years, but I know it will become successful. So gusto ko, pag dumating yung point na yon, lahat
kayo
successful. Like, my success would also become their success.
Napakaganda, no? Hindi ka selfish. Yung buong angkan, di ba? Sabi mo kayo,
you're willing to share.
That's
Hindi lang sa
Yes.
pamilya di ba? Yun kasi yung maganda.